Hello, it's Crafty Ria, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be bringing you the second project tutorial video from my latest order from Craspire.com. If you haven't seen my other two videos, you might want to go back and watch those. I did an unboxing and I did one tutorial video where I showed you how to make these wax melts. Craspire.com is an awesome company. They allow me to go on their website and choose some items, and in exchange I make a few videos to show you how to use the items. These are wax melts, and I went ahead and melted them and stamped them out. These have Christmas trees, so pretty, and they were so much fun to make. So you might want to go back and check out that other video. These can be used as wax seals on envelopes, and they can also be used as embellishments on cards or any other craft projects. I will put links to everything in the description box below, and I will also put my coupon code that is Maria5, M-A-R-I-A, and the number 5, and that gives you $5 off of $40, and they also have free worldwide shipping on orders of $50 or more. Today I will be using some of these other products that I received in this last order. These are already made for you wax melts or faux wax melts. They have the adhesive on the back already, and the ones I chose were in this really pretty burgundy color, and they are roses. They have quite a few pre-made ones to choose from. And in this package, there are 25 of them, and they are all the same. So what I did to make the roses stand out a little bit, I used these markers that I had gotten in a past order from Craspire.com. They are metallic markers, and I went ahead and colored the roses a little bit. I colored the leaves green, and I used various colors on the actual roses. This one I used purple and pink. And this one I used gold and I think one of the pink ones. And this one I used one of the copper ones with some pink in there. So I thought they came out really cool, and it does help the rose to stand out a little bit. Now you can use them either way. This would be the traditional way, and then if you wanted to add a little bit of color, you can do that as well. If you have any permanent markers like Sharpies and that sort of thing, those should work as well. Metallic markers tend to show up better on the dark wax if you're using a dark color wax. And then the other product that I want to use today, I also received from Craspire in a past order. They are these really pretty greeting cards, and they come in several designs. I've used some of them already in other projects, and they are super pretty. And they all come individually wrapped in plastic, and they all have an envelope, and they're a pretty good quality cardstock. I really like them. So I decided to go ahead and use some of these in my projects today. I'm going to be using these wax seals as embellishments on some of those cards, just to kind of show you what you can do to jazz up some cards. Now these cards are pretty on their own. They have gold foil lettering. They have pretty flowers. These are the three I'll be using today. And I thought that these three went really well with some of these wax seals. I also have some of this trim that I had gotten in a swap. I believe it came from Dawn. It was on my Amazon wish list. And I thought this trim looks really good with these cards, and it would make a super easy embellished card. So let's start with this pink one that says thanks. I cut my nails and I can't do a thing. So they come with an envelope, and each card comes in these nice little plastic envelopes that are resealable. It's great if you want to give them as a gift. And each of these cards measures about 3 1/4 by 5. So that's kind of, I think that's about an 4-bar card size. So let's see, on this one, I will use this rose color. I think it goes really well with the card. I'm going to cut it to be just a little bit bigger than the card. And these are, let's see if there's a brand. It doesn't really say the brand name. If I can find the link, I will put the link in the description box below. I'm just going to go ahead and just stick this on the card. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. There we go. So maybe you can see it a little bit better. I have my camera pretty far away. And this is self-adhesive, and it is glittery. And the reason I chose this as opposed to regular ribbon is because I am not matting these on anything, and I don't have anything to tuck it behind. So I wanted to try to make it even on each side, pretty close. Sorry if I keep putting it too close to the camera. I keep forgetting I have it zoomed in. And I'm just going to trim off the excess. That's why I like to always have excess so I can line it up. And let's see, I think for this pink one, I think I will use this one that has the gold and the pink. And I will take the adhesive backing off. And I don't know if you can tell on there, but yeah, there's an adhesive circle. And I'm just going to stick this kind of right there. There we go. And that card is done. That would be a gorgeous card to send to someone or to make a set of them and give them as a gift. You can put it right back in there, and that makes an excellent gift. Then my next one, I have this one that says happiness. And I will take the card out of the envelope. And for this one, I think I will use this gold with the hearts on the bottom. I think that's super pretty. And again, I will cut it a little bit bigger than I need it. And remove the backing. And I'm going to try to line it up so it's even on both sides. And just trim off the excess. And then for this one, I will use this one with the purple since there's a lot of different colors in this card. There we go. And then I will put this one right back in here so I can give it as a gift. And then I have this third one. This one here says, thank you. And I have the green. And I thought the green looks really pretty with all of those leaves. I like to do a bunch of cards that are very similar. It tends to go by quickly, and you can make a whole bunch if you want to give them as a gift. You could do like a 6-pack of them. And I'm just going to trim off that excess. And then for this one, I will use this last one here. And I'll put this right back in there. So we have these 3 cards, the thank you card, happiness, and thanks. And what I think I would do when I give them as a gift is enclose a second one of the wax seals. And I would automatically stick it on here halfway. I would pull this down halfway and stick it on there halfway, and that way they could peel off the rest of it when they want to seal the envelope. And that would make a really nice gift. I'll show you. I'll go ahead and do that on this one. Okay, so I would peel this back halfway from the top down and fold it. Kind of like that. I would open this up and stick it halfway on there. And leave that on there like that. And I would put this in the envelope where that is sticking out or facing out. So they would have that on the front and that on the back. So that is one way that you can use these pre-made wax seals. You can also use ones that you've made in the same way. Just put a glue dot or some glue on the back and do the same thing. Obviously, this isn't a Christmas card, but that's kind of an idea of how that would look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial to show you one way that you can use your wax melts, and one way you can decorate up these beautiful cards that you can get from Craspire. These would make an excellent Christmas gift or a stocking stuffer if you have someone on your list that you just really don't ever know what to get them. They can always use cards. Most people do like to send out cards. It's a great gift for a grandmother or a teacher, something like that. Don't forget to check out Craspire. I will put all the links below. My coupon code is Maria5, MARIA, and the number 5. That gives you $5 off of 40. And then they also have worldwide free shipping on orders of $50. They're always coming out with new products. I do love to check their website frequently because I'm always surprised with all of the great new products they are coming out with. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button down at the bottom and then click on the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. I would love it if you'd leave me a comment below. Let me know what you would use these wax melts for, or if you would make these cards, who you would give them to. Would they be a teacher gift, a grandmother gift, a mother's gift, whatever? Let me know who you would be sending these to if you were to gift them to somebody. They would be great for residents in a nursing home or anything like that as well. If you like what you see, please do give this video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube find more videos for you that you would like. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.